We now discuss the solution of a problem from the section Permutations and Combinations. And this is a second question that is appearing on the concept of counting in this paper. This question has appeared in the Joint Entrance Examination Main held on 26th June 2022 in the first shift. The given question is, there are 10 boys B1, B2, etc. B10 and 5 girls G1, G2, etc. G5 in a class. Then the number of ways of forming a group consisting of 3 boys and 3 girls if both B1 and B2 together should not be the members of a group. If both B1 and B2 together should not be the members of the group is, we have a class in which we have 10 boys B1, B2, etc. B10 and 5 girls G1, G2, etc. G5. We have to find the number of ways of forming a group consisting of 3 boys and 3 girls with a condition that B1 and B2 together should not be the members of a group. We now discuss the solution of the problem in detail. We have a class in which there are 10 boys. They are B1, B2, B10 and we have 5 girls G1, G2, etc. G5. Now first we find the number of ways of selecting a group consisting of 3 boys and 3 girls without any condition. So we form a group with 3 boys and 3 girls. So these 3 boys are to be chosen from B1, B2, B10 in how many ways? Out of this 10 we have to choose 3. So this can be done in 10C3 ways. Now you have to choose 5 girls from the given. We have to choose 3 girls from the given 5 girls. This can be done in 5C3 ways. So the number of ways of forming a group with 3 boys and 3 girls without any condition is the following. The number of ways of forming a group consisting of 3 boys and 3 girls is 10C3 multiplied by 5C3 by the product rule of counting. 10C3 is 10 into 9 into 8 by 1 into 2 into 3 multiplied by 5C3 is 5C2, that is 5 into 4 by 1 into 2. After simplification we get 1200. Now what we do is the number of ways of forming a group in which these 2 boys B1 and B2 are there with that condition. How many ways of forming such groups we will now discuss. We want to form a group. In every group these B1, B2 together will appear. Then we need to select 1 boy from the remaining 8 boys. This can be done in 8C1 ways. And in the case of the girls, no conditions. Therefore, 3 girls from the given 5 girls will be chosen in 5C3 ways. Therefore, in the case of the boys, 1 boy out of 8, 8C1 multiplied by 5C3. Therefore, the number of ways of forming a group with B1, B2, in every group B1, B2 present is done in 8C1 multiplied by 5C3 using the product rule of counting. 8C1 is 8 into 5C3 is 5C2, 5 into 4 by 1 into 2. After simplification, we will get 8. So, in every group, in these 80 ways of selecting such groups, in every group, these two boys, B1, B2, together will appear. But we want the number of ways of forming a group consisting 3 boys and 3 girls with a condition that these 2 boys, B1 and B2, together should not be there in the group. That is obtained from the above 1200. Subtract this 80, you will get the required answer. Now, the number of ways of forming a group with B1, B2 together are not in the group is 1200 from the above without conditions minus the above one 80, that is 1120. Thus, the number of ways of forming a group with B1, B2 are not in the group is 1120. That's our answer. So, that is the detailed discussion of the solution of the problem on the concept of counting from the permutations and combinations, and this is definitely a easy question, simple and straightforward. I am sure that you have understood the solution of this problem. I wish you all the best. Thank you.